Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota RAV4 key battery. This simple DIY task can save you a trip to the dealership and takes just a few minutes. You will need a new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly available. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help open the key fob casing. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your remote. First, let's carefully open your key fob. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side or bottom of the fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the internal emergency key. This action reveals a small slot or notch where the emergency key was housed. This opening is crucial for the next step in accessing the battery compartment. Now, with the emergency key removed, insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into the notch you just revealed. Gently twist the tool to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Once open, locate the old battery. Use your tool to carefully pop it out. Insert the new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, making sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks, ensuring it is fully seated. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.